Welcome back. This is Jeff Byers. This is Module 2. We just got done unwrapping the props, and you need to save your work if you haven't saved your work. So make sure you save your work, and I called it props, and save. You should have exported your props as well as an OBJ. So now we're ready to go into the substance painter. So we're going to go to File, and we're going to go New, and we're going to create a texture set per Unum tile. Let's go ahead, and that's good. Let's go ahead and do 2048 by 2048. We're going to select, and we're going to go and find that Unum tile. So Documents, where are we at here? Documents, Maya, Projects, and then scenes, I believe, are in here. Where are you? Looks like the props. I don't see them there. Let's go out. Looks like the props got saved here for some reason. Okay. Click open. And we're good to go. There they are. And okay, that's everything. I'm going to make very, very short work of this. So let's go into my UV texture list. There we go. And we're going to move this over. Here we go. Don't need to see that. And we got those all ready to go. Texture sets. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. And that looks good. This is my rubber. I'm going to start with my rubber piece. I'm going to go into, don't need texture settings. Okay, there's my layers. There we go. And my properties. I'm going to put those in there. Paint layer properties. There we go. Get that set up there and set this up here. Okay, layers. I want to put that in there. Bottom part. There we go. Alright, good. That's good right there. Okay, so now we're all set up. Just the way I like it. Alright, so I really can't use the smart materials to the best of their abilities because I don't have any cavity maps or curvature maps. So I'm gonna go right in here, and I want you're gonna have to create your own. So I got fine leather. I'm gonna type in materials, I'm gonna type in rubber. And here are the pieces of rubber that I have available. Okay, I kind of want to vulcanize rubber. I want it to be pretty rough. I want to be able to see texture. Use scratch rubber. That's good. That's a good one. So find plastic fine thick, plastic green. Okay. Alright, I'm going to find something that's pretty. I'm going to do that one. This one looks the best. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and drag it up into that. And let's get a little bit closer. Looks really good. Okay, I like the way it looks right out of the box. I can go in here and do UV scale. And scale up and scale it down. I want to see the kind of the texture on it. Okay, that looks good. Looks great. Next one. That's how fast it is. And next one will be take the rubber out. And now I can see. Now I'm going to type in a steel. There we go. Galvanized steel. What kind of steel do I have available? Hardened steel. Ooh, that looks good. I like hardened steel. Oh, that looks really good. Rusty steel. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Which one is that again? Yeah, those are those pieces. That's pretty cool. Go and do those. Do that one. Okay. And scale. Okay, there we go. And let's see the fill part, properties. Okay. Alright, what else do we have? Rusty steel. Parameters. Okay. Channels. Yeah, I don't see anything that we can change. Just looking at all the basic parameters. Roughness, change, saturation. You can kind of change that. You can add a little bit of rust to it. Okay, that looks pretty good. I like that. Okay, let's luminosity, contrast, intensity. That looks pretty good. I like that. Okay, so I've got a little bit of rust on there. Alright, let's go to the next one. Again, I can go into the scale. Okay, let's kind of get feeling for that scale. I think that looks pretty good. And the next one, number 1001, galvanized steel. Is there anything else? Steel rough. Let's see, steel brushed, hardened steel. Let's do that one. Okay. And that actually looks pretty good too, because I like the scratches on it. Scale that up a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to add that rusty steel on top. Let's add the rusty steel on top. There we go. And same thing with this one. Let's see, saturation, add a little rust to it, a little rusty, not as much. There we go, just a hint of it. That's cool. That works out really good. I like that. I can turn down the amount of bump too on this. And let's go to this one, it's tempered steel. Go to the basic parameters here. Normal intensity, height range, height position, roughness. Okay. If I turn down off the height map, I don't need the height. What about the normal? Okay, so I must be coming from the rusty part then. Here's the normal intensity. Okay, height range. Oh, there it is. There it is. Yeah, height range. Turn that off. And normal intensity's up. Okay, so that's good. Height position, height range. That looks good. I like that. Perfect. Right. Exactly what I wanted. So those are all the pieces. Okay. That looks good. Awesome. So we're ready to rock and roll. So now all those are done. File, export, mesh. Oh no, not that one. File, export textures. Got 3 of them. PNG, we got no padding pass-through. Everything looks good. Were we saving it to? We're gonna save it to, let's see here, the desktop, and add a new folder, props, maps, there we go, and we'll select that folder. Select folder. There we go. Okay. And that looks good. Configuration, we want Arnold 5, UDOM, UI standard. That looks great. I don't care if it gives us extra ones. That's fine. It has a texture set on there, and that's what we need. And once that's done, everything's good. Export, make sure those are selected, and we're ready to export. Just like that. This shouldn't take long. Probably just wait it out right in front of you. Click OK, and you're good. I would go ahead and file, save as, and this will be props. So props 01. There we go. Save it. Give that a chance to work its magic. Okay, and then in the next video we'll add the textures into the right slots, and I'll see you in the next video.